On the basis of a remarkable track record of performance, Warren Buffett is without a doubt the most well known and significant investor in modern history. Well, if you still don't know who Warren Buffett is, then I will explain to you in short. In 1930, Warren Buffett was born in Omaha. At a young age, he became interested in business and investing, including in the stock market. Early in the 1950s, Buffett started his career as a salesman of investments. But in 1956, he founded Buffett Associates. In 1965, less than 10 years later, he took over as CEO of Berkshire Hathaway. Buffett declared his intention to give away his entire fortune to charity in June 2006. Buffett's investment strategy has a long history of being transparent, simple, and reliable, despite his unparalleled success. He makes investments in well-capitalized, large blue-chip companies with attractive valuations. Buffett frequently makes long-term investments, but he has never been afraid to take significant risks or sell off long-held holdings. Early in 2022, he and his team demonstrated this by placing a significant bet on Chevron Corp. As of March 31, 2022, Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway held a portfolio of prestigious US stocks worth $390.5 billion. Apple represents nearly 41% of Berkshire Hathaway's portfolio, making it the largest holding. Hey everyone, welcome to Wealthy Planet. Today we are going to go over Warren Buffett's 5 stocks every investor should own. Make sure to watch until the end because you don't want to miss out on the opportunity of being rich. So without wasting any time, let's get started. The first stock on the list is Apple. At $149 billion as of Q1 2022, Apple, the company that makes iPhones, is by far Warren Buffett's largest stock holding, making up nearly 41% of his stock portfolio and 5.5% of Apple's outstanding shares. For less than $35 million, Berkshire Hathaway purchased the stake between 2016 and 2019. The price of Apple will reach $150 by the middle of 2023 and $200 by the end of 2024, according to the most recent long-term forecast. The price of Apple will increase to $250 in 2025, $300 in 2027, and $400 in 2032. The next on the list is Bank of America. Bank of America is the second largest holding of Berkshire Hathaway, with a stake worth $42.6 billion and 10.9% of the portfolio as of Q1 2022. 12.5% of the outstanding shares of the bank were held by Berkshire Hathaway. Buffett acquired $700 million of the 1 billion shares of Bank of America that Berkshire Hathaway currently owns in 2017 at a price of about $7 per share, in the exchange for authorization that Berkshire Hathaway received in 2011 when it invested $5 billion in the bank's company shares. The median price target among the 25 analysts who are providing 12-month price forecast for Bank of America Corp is $42 with a high estimate of $52 and a low estimate of $32. The next on the list is American Express. With a $28.6 billion investment in financial services provider American Express, Berkshire Hathaway held 20.1% of the company's shares as of first quarter 2022, or 7.3% of its total holdings. The investment was made in 1994 when Buffett traded warrants for Amex stock from a $300 million preferred stock investment that generated a 64% 3-year return. Over the past 10 years, Berkshire Hathaway has increased its ownership of American Express significantly. The median target price among the 22 analysts providing 12-month price projections for American Express is $169, with high and low estimate of $201 and $128 respectively. From the most recent price of $153.89, the median estimate represents an increase of 9.82%. The next best stock to hold would be Chevron. Chevron became Berkshire Hathaway's 4th largest holding at the end of first quarter 2022 after Buffett significantly increased Berkshire Hathaway's stake in the integrated oil giant to $25.9 billion. 6.6% of Berkshire Hathaway's investment stock portfolio was made of Chevron shares, and Berkshire Hathaway owned 8.1% of Chevron's outstanding shares. As of year-end 2021, Berkshire Hathaway reported owning a $4.5 billion stake in Chevron, which Buffett began purchasing in the third quarter of 2020. The median price target among the 25 analysts who are providing 12-month price forecast for Chevron Corp is $192, with a high estimate of $215 and a low estimate of $161. From the most recent price of $167.95, the median estimate represents an increase of 14.32%. The last stock in the list is Coca-Cola. Buffett is known for drinking 5 12-ounce servings of Coke each day and once referred to himself as a quarter Coca-Cola due to the beverage contribution to his calorie intake. With a $24.8 billion investment in Coca-Cola, Berkshire Hathaway manages to allocate 6.4% of its stock portfolio to the company. In his subsequent letter to shareholders, after Buffett started to build up his holdings in 1988, he declared his intention to keep them for a long time. The median price target among 21 analysts who are providing 12-month price forecast for Coca-Cola is $66, with a high estimate of $77 and a low estimate of $61. From the most recent price of $63.97, the median estimate represents an increase of 3.17%. These are the best stocks one person can buy if they really want to make money in 2023. If you like this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss out more videos of finance and wealth creation and much more. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care.